everyone. So in this video, I will let you know about the password cracking technique, or we can say this is the brute force attack lecture. So this is the part 2. In part 1, I have already let you know how you can create your word list or how you can create your custom word list like the password txt file or password list. So now whatever we have created in last video, that password list we use into our target to crack the password, right? So in this lecture I will use a tool that is called Hydra. So through the Hydra we will crack the admin username and password. So let's start with the example. If you not see the part 1, so please go to the part 1 and see how I like explain about the crunch. Crunch is a tool which create the word list as per your choice. So for example, I'm always using this mechanism in my local to practical. So today, for example, this is guys, this is only educational purpose because this is very sensitive here. So here you can see there are 5 websites for the testing, or we can say for the example. So today I will let you know with the material day. So if I click on this material day, so you will get page is open. So today we will work for the password cracking. So here if you go to the um, yeah login page, so you will see there is a login page where we can put name and password, but we don't know the username and password. But we know there is a admin that will be always on website, so we will crack the password for the admin, right? So let's start, and I have already created notepad to you to better understanding. So guys, first we have the file where in that file we will store our password, right? So in my past video I already let you know how we create custom, but I will let you know again here, just a short. So here is the current software or tool which will create the password. The length will be 8 and 8, and you can see the file name is this is these are the keyword we want our password will create from using these keywords. So I have put these keyword and hyphen o for the save the file name is test4. I will change the name test.txt, and then hyphen t used for the give the specific condition, because guys, this is an example. I know my what is my admin password, so that's why to make a short file, so that's why I'm here giving a specific condition with the hyphen p. So what I am giving, PAS. That means my password will start from PAS, and whatever keyword here at the rate, whatever, then end will with the D. But in your case, if you don't know your password, so you don't need to write this like hyphen T and the specific condition. So your password will create without that. But in this lecture, I am using that because I know my password and to create a short list, because if I use the like a bigger list, so it will take a couple of hours to crack. So that's why I'm using this to create a short list. So right, so I'm entering here. So if you see a file is created test.txt and line, that means there are 2401, like this is the number where in our file we have stored the password, right? So that means I have the password list here. Now I will inject that password list into this name and username and password. Guys, you can find a multiple word list, multiple we can say a password list from the internet, which already created by another developers and hackers. So you can also get that password list from the internet. There are multiple use list available on internet. So guys, let's start attack on this page. So I have created already the notepad to save the time. We know we are using Hydra, right? And if you see here, this is my login page where the path is this one, right? So how I can create, so just I'm creating a new thing here. So I just type Hydra, right? This is the tool where I will attack on this IP. So you have to copy this IP and paste your command. So I will attack on this IP. Then I am using hyphen L because I am giving the username admin. If you don't know the username, you can use hyphen small l to instead of, you can use hyphen capital L, then provide the list your username here. Like same I will provide for the password. Then I'm using, let's see, I'm using hyphen capital P. Capital P I am using for the password list. If you have a specific password, then you can use small p, right? So I'm using this. So my list is list in this directory, root and test, which I have just created, test.txt. So this is the password file, right, which we are using through that. If you here I know the username is admin. If you don't know the username admin, so you can also give the same thing, hyphen capital L, then the list of your username you can provide here, right? So for now I know my username is admin. I am just providing list for the password, right? Now you have to find which method we are using. I am using http post form. How you can find? You just go to your page and click on inspect here. If you inspect here, so you will see, if you, right, if you go to here, so this is the form which are using action method. You can see this is the post, right? So you can see this is the post method, and this is also the form. If you copy that URL, Control C, and paste into your text file, so you can see there is a HTTP, not HTTPS, right? So that's why I have write HTTP post form, right? Because we are using that. In your case, it may be HTTPS or post. Instead of post, that can be get or other. So as per your target, you can use. Guys, this is only educational purpose because this is very sensitive topic. So you can see I make the command Hydra, then you can see here my IP, username, password list, whatever mechanism we are using, HTTP post form. Then now we have to create our the where we pass the username and password, right? So guys, you can see like here, if you see, this is the like common code which we have to implement. So I have write tilde because we have already put the IP. Now we have to copy this after that whatever thing is, like here if I create you can see I have copied that, and right now I have to put the username, whatever user I am putting. So user is equal to, okay, and here put the user, right? Same as I like paste already here, same as the password, and click and and PASS password is equal to PASS, right? Then this is incorrect, right? So I already create for you. Here you can see this is our page here, and now we are giving user, we know username is admin, so it will take from here admin. Then password, we know we have already give the password list, so that's why we use the here. This is these are the we can say parameters, user and password, but we don't know in our page in this site what parameter we are using, right? So how you can get the parameter, I will let you know. So just go to here. So you can see I use the username parameter, or same code is the same, and password, instead of this pass I use the password parameter because in this form we are using username and password. How you will know? So you just put anything whatever you want. We don't need to put the right, whatever you want. I just type any random number and go to the burp suite, and burp suite in proxy tab you just turn on the intercept. I already dedicated lecture on that, so that's why I'm not explaining the burp suite how we use or why we use, right? You just need to log in. Once you log in, so your request will capture into this tool, right? So here you can see we have the this username whatever we put, and this password keyword whatever we put, right? So we have to copy that username and password. Where you can see here I have typed username here instead of user. I have typed username because in our query we are using username, and instead of pass we are using password because we are using password. And after password you will see we put the password. Whatever after password, this thing you have to copy. In your case maybe it's different. Whatever thing after the password, you have to complete copy that from here. After the password, these all thing here copy and put into your query. So our query was here, if you can see, right? Username, password, and then I have paste from that page to here. You can see here. So I have put that whatever I have copy, you see, right? And then F for the fail means if your login not success, so you can use F is equal to not login. You how you will get the message? You will get the message, you just turn off this. So if you go to the page, you can see bad username and password, and you will also see here not login. You can type anything from here, bad username and password, and you use this one. So that's I'm using here this one, not login. So that's why I use F for fail is equal to not login. So this is the our proper command which will you can copy and paste here, right? After this. So you will see same thing which I have already created. So same thing I have created here, right? So let's I will explain again. This is the tool Hydra. This is the IP where we want to attack. This is the hyphen small l. We will provide the username because we know the username. If you don't know the username, you can provide a list of username. You can create your custom username list, or you will get the list from the internet. Same thing for the password. Capital P, because I'm using capital P because I don't know the password. But I have the list. I have created the list. You can also create the list from my past lecture. You can see how I create the list. So I have on that lecture I explained there are multiple mechanism to create the list as per your uh, requirement. So I use hyphen p, then provide the password list. Whatever password in this list, one by one password will go to the attacking mode and will try to log in, right? Then I create this mechanism or this post, because we know in our form we are using http and post method which are in form, right? Then I use this the site full site path where the middle day you can see here middle day index php whatever. So I give here middle day php is equal to login and username. We know the username how we get, because we see in burp suite we are using username is equal to user, so user will get from the here admin, and password is equal to password come from here, that is the list, right? Then whatever after that we have copy that I already know how you copy this. And then f is equal to f means fail is equal to not login, because we are getting, if we are not able to login, so we will get this bad error or that not login. So that's why I have typed that, right? So you have to just copy that, right? You will copy that and paste your query in terminal. So here I am pasting. You can see the Hydra, right? Hydra, the IP, then username, then password, then method we are using, and then the query we make with the help of burp suite, right? So you have to just enter here. If you enter, yeah, I have to change the file because I have created test file. This is my old query. So now you have to enter. If you enter here, so it will start the attacking. Now you can need you have to need like to flow of how this is working. Every minute the request is going from backend with the one password, it will take a password, one password from the list which we give here, test.txt, and through one password it will try to log in. If result will get we get the result not login, then it will go to the again second password, then we'll try. If uh, that will not success, then it will go to the third one, then four, fifth, sixth, whatever list we have. So it will go to one by one all password, where it will match the admin and user password, that will return success. So that username and password it will return. So you can see here my uh, timing, it will take some time, because there are seven, you can see here status 758, um, uh, 758 password try in 1 minute, you can see. But in my list there are multiple password, it will take 3 minutes. So I am pausing my video, and then I will resume once it will complete, because it will take some time, right? So I'm pausing here, and then we'll resume my video once it will complete. Now I resume my video, and you can see here we able to crack the password for this IP. Login name is admin, password is equal to password. So that is very important. How, this is only educational purpose, because with that brute force attack we can crack any password of any website. So here you can see I have cracked my password here from the list. And uh, I will suggest one thing first. You have to first go to the first lecture. We'll see on that lecture how I create the a word list, because the in all process the important thing is word list, because on that word list we will get the password, because our password will available in word list. Word list can be a number of lakhs password in bit, minimum millions of password we can stored in word list. So you have to first uh, aware about the word list how we create. So guys, this is all in this video. Please subscribe my channel. I will let you know other hacking tutorial things, and I will provide the my hacking tutorial link and my playlist, hacking playlist, in the description, so you can also visit the all lectures. And please subscribe my channel to upcoming hacking videos. So yep, that's all in this video. Thank you.